results. So let's load up the template right here, and we see that we have now a couple stuff going on the chart. The first thing you will notice is this backtesting dashboard, which unlike many versions I made, this one is highly calibrated, because previously we had indicators like the stalker indicator that I had to modify a couple of times to get accurate results because of how the strategy used in it is calculated. It was based on fractals, and fractals do kind of repaint, okay? Unlike the gold arrow, which is based on a strategy that depends on bar close, okay? So when signal is confirmed on the bar close, then you get the signal, okay? So these numbers are highly accurate, and you can see that you also have your take profit dot and your stop loss. So with each signal you will get your take profit and stop loss levels, so it's almost an autopilot, okay? You only have to enter the signal. For example, if you enter the last signal right here, okay, you enter right here, set your take profit in the middle of the dot and your stop loss right here, okay? So you can see you had a winner right here, and I'm using the default settings is 10 pips TP and 20 pips stop loss. Of course we can change that, but let's see how well is it performing on the default settings. So you can see you had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 trades in a row that won, and then you had one loser right here, okay? Let's try and go for 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let's set stop loss to 100, or let's go 200 on both, okay? You can change your TP and the sell values from this section, okay? As you can see, we still have pretty decent result, 73% win rate, and you can see that the count of losing trades in a row is pretty low. Like you have 3 in a row right here, while you have many winning trades in a row. Like here you have 2 4 6 8 10 trades in a row that you have won, and so on. The indicator is highly adjustable, so if you go back to the default settings, you will see that you have this number right here. The strategy used behind it is that you have the indicator has 2 signal generating logics or indicators. You have the entry signal, the confirmation signal, okay? So if we change these numbers, you will get different results, okay? Typically when you go lower, you will get more signals. So if I go 5 and 9 here, and this one should be lower than the entry signal, so let's say 4 and 7, okay? And the trend filter, we'll talk about it later. So you will see you will get much more entries, but this will play a big role in your overall win rate, okay? So what if I change the trend filter? The trend filter acts like a moving average, for example, okay? It gives you the general direction of the market, where if it was an uptrend, you will get only buy signals. So let's go 500 for example, and you will see that this will change the results, okay? As you can see, playing around the settings will give you different results. I recommend default settings as they are best calibrated ones. They give you plenty of signals and really good win rate. Okay, so final thing, talking about the settings. So I explained all of this. You have the history section right here, where if I add a 0, this will load more history signals and you will get more results. So you can see over the past 75,000 bars, you got 363 entries, and you won 255 with a win rate of 75%. Okay, still pretty decent. I would recommend, if you buy this indicator, that you have a daily profit target. Let's say you want 50 pips a day. This indicator will give it to you just like magic. Okay. Another thing I want to recommend, and it's pretty important, that you use a low spread broker. Okay, because you are working on 1 minute time frame, so you will have to have a raw spread account. Okay, like 5 to 10 points spread maximum. So that was all for today, and before I close the video, I think these are pretty much explanatory. You have your alerts and the dashboard settings. You can change colors from here and make it more to your liking. Okay, you can also change font size and so on. This was all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you contact me and buy this indicator within 5 days, when this video is published, you will get